Hello, I'm Sally from Straight A Training, and today I'm going to be making spaghetti alle vongole. Cook 300 grams of spaghetti according to the instructions on the packet. While the pasta is cooking, add a good slug of olive oil to a large, thick bottomed pan that has a lid. Add 2 thinly sliced garlic cloves and 1 finely chopped red chilli. Fry over a medium heat until the garlic is golden brown and the oil takes on all the flavours. Add 750 grams of prepared clams and 175 millilitres of white wine. Give the clams a good stir and then cover with the lid. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until all the clams have opened. Remove all the clams from the pan and keep warm. Add the spaghetti to the sauce when it still has a couple of minutes to cook. Finish cooking the spaghetti in the sauce so it takes on all the seafood flavours. While the sauce is finishing, remove the clam meat from the shells, leaving 2 to 3 for presentation. Once the sauce has reduced and the spaghetti is cooked, add the clams back into the spaghetti with 1 tablespoonful of chopped parsley and stir and serve.